terms of preparation move for the hurricane season, what's the KSAC doing?
There are some things that we normally do. In May, what we have done, we had a readiness, check a state of readiness. We have invited all the various agencies to the KSAMC and they have given a report on their state of readiness. The KSAMC itself has started to conduct their drain cleaning investigation. Where we establish the critical drains and having established critical drains to put a price to it, and then we will be going out to make sure that these drains are clean, that in the event of any heavy rain, that less flooding takes place.
Yeah, ready.
Our own disaster preparedness coordinator has been tasked with the responsibility of looking at the flood-prone areas, the Harbour Views, the Bull Bay, the New Haven, to go out there and educate them about it. And at the same time, making sure that the drains are clean. Our technical team will make sure the drains are clean.
So is the KSAC ready? Ready? Is it ready?
Your KSAC is ready because there are different aspects of readiness. Right now, we have done our readiness report and we are out in the field making sure we have the proper data that we can implement the recommendations.
Finally, have you guys identified shelters as yet?
Yes, we have identified the shelters and we will be going also on a shelter managers training. Most of the shelter managers are persons who have been done it as a shelter manager before, but it's good to have a refresher course from time to time.
Perfect.